What's happening, people? How are we today? Quick tutorial. I wouldn't even call it a tutorial. Just going to give a quick overview of Adobe Photoshop and some of the solutions it solves. Basically, Adobe Photoshop is for graphic design, mostly digital graphics. So, brochures, pamphlets, photos. You can pretty much do anything with images and photography. So Photoshop's been around for a very long time. It's made by Adobe and it is a pixel based. So basically it uses little fine points to fill up the screen or a picture. And as you can see here, all these are like going to be little colors if you really zoomed in. And it can do a lot of different things like create business cards, kind of give you rulers, some different settings. You can also save images and such as different file sizes to make things more compressed and small. So this is just a quick overview of Adobe Photoshop. We're going to actually pull up. This is as you come in. You'll basically see some of your more recent projects. So this is just some of the more recent things. We can just open one, and what we'll see is this is actually a pretty big file. So it might take one moment to load, and let's just float this on top so I don't disappear there. Basically what you're going to see here is that all of our tools here, we're able to go in and we have things like a selection tool which will help you select different layers, which are actually now behind here. So we'll move this. You can see these different layers, and I'm selecting this image here. We can hide this image, and you can see an old image below it. There's a lot of different things in Photoshop that we're able to do. So siphon colors, we can pull colors out. It gives us a hexacolor here where we're able to take colors and really just manipulate anything we want in photos. So let's just add a few words here. This is our text, and the reason you're not seeing it here is because Photoshop has what we call layers, and it's actually hidden. If we move this up a little bit, you'll see it populates here on top. So Fort Lauderdale, this is our text. I don't know, I was just typing a few things. So you can do all sorts of different stuff with fonts and such. We can also take photos. So this is an image here and kind of hide them. We can go in here, say we want to make the keyboard or the computer only show the keys. We can kind of delete that. Now what you're seeing is actually another picture below. So if we dug deeper into this, we'd find there's a bunch of pictures here below. This is a pretty big file, again, that I use for multiple different graphics I create. So guys, that's pretty much Photoshop. I'm going to go into more details of all the different things you can do, such as all these different tools that are over here on the sidebar and all the different things with images and photos. Don't get it mistaken with Illustrator. Illustrator is a little bit different in the fact that it does more vector images for logos and things that are going to be blowing up, since it's billboards, brochures, things like that. If you guys need any help with your Google, or I'm sorry, with your Adobe Photoshop, let us know. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and again, stay tuned. We also have a ton of different Photoshop tutorials available on our website. I'll leave the link below. And give a like, give a subscribe. It's appreciated, guys. We'll catch you soon. Take care.